Experiencing a non-responsive or malfunctioning keyboard on an HP Chromebook can be a frustrating issue that hinders productivity and usability. The keyboard is a vital component of any laptop, and when it stops working, it can disrupt your workflow and make it difficult to perform essential tasks. Several potential causes can contribute to a Chromebook keyboard not working. One common culprit is a software or driver-related issues. In such cases, restarting the Chromebook or performing a power wash factory reset can help resolve the problem. It is also advisable to ensure that the Chrome OS is up to date and all available updates have been installed. Sometimes, a physical obstruction or debris may be preventing the keys from functioning correctly. Gently cleaning the keyboard and ensuring there is no dust, crumbs or other foreign objects lodged between the keys can help restore the functionality. If the issue persists, it is worth trying an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard to determine if the problem lies with the Chromebook's hardware or software. If an external keyboard functions properly, it suggests an internal hardware issue. In such cases, seeking professional assistance is recommended. Contacting HP customer support or taking the Chromebook to an authorized service center can provide expert guidance and potential repair solutions. It is worth noting that keyboard issues can also be related to a faulty keyboard connector or a damaged internal component. In these cases, a qualified technician may need to replace the keyboard or repair the affected components to restore the functionality. While encountering a non-working keyboard on an HP Chromebook can be frustrating, taking appropriate troubleshooting steps and seeking professional assistance can help resolve the issue and get your device back to optimal working condition. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.